Welcome to Quiz Flash. Test your brain with this general knowledge quiz. Can you answer them all? Stay until the end and let us know your score in the comments. Let's dive in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting challenges.
Welcome to the quiz. Let's warm up with a classic. In the animal kingdom, which mammal is the only one capable of true, sustained flight? Is the answer A, the flying squirrel, B, the bat, C, the sugar glider, or D, the colugo? While others glide, only bats can truly fly. Thinking about geography, which famous river flows through the heart of London? Your options are A, the Seine, B, the Danube, C, the Thames, and D, the Tiber. The River Thames is an iconic part of the London landscape. Let's talk tech. What does Wi-Fi stand for? Could it be A, wireless fidelity, B, wireless firewall, C, wired fidelity, or D, nothing at all? Surprise! It's a trademark term created for marketing, not an acronym. In the world of pop music, who is famously known as the Queen of Pop? Pick one of these superstars. A, Beyoncé, B, Taylor Swift, C, Madonna, D, Lady Gaga. Madonna's reign as the Queen of Pop has lasted for decades. For a simple science question, what planet is known as the Red Planet? Choose from our neighbors. A, Venus, B, Mars, C, Jupiter, or D, Saturn. Mars gets its reddish color from iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. Let's visit the kitchen. What is the main ingredient in the Japanese dish sushi? Is it A, raw fish, B, seaweed, C, soy sauce, or D, vinegared rice? Sushi actually refers to the rice, not the fish. In ancient history, which civilization built the famous Machu Picchu? Was it A, the Mayans, B, the Aztecs, C, the Incas, or D, the Romans? The Inca Empire built this incredible citadel in the Andes Mountains. For the movie lovers, in the film Finding Nemo, what kind of fish is Nemo? Here are your choices. A, a pufferfish, B, a tang, C, a goldfish, or D, a clownfish. Nemo and his dad, Marlin, are both clownfish. What is the name of the tallest mountain in the world? Let's see the options. A, K2, B, Mount Everest, C, Mount Kilimanjaro, or D, Denali. Mount Everest stands at a staggering 8,848 meters above sea level. Which of the 7 continents is the only one to lie in all 4 hemispheres? Could it be A, Asia, B, Australia, C, Africa, or D, Antarctica? Africa is uniquely positioned to cross the equator and the prime meridian. Now things get trickier. Here comes the first medium question. In Greek mythology, who flew too close to the sun? Was that A, Hercules, B, Perseus, C, Daedalus, or D, Icarus? Icarus ignored his father's warning, causing his wax wings to melt. Let's talk science. What is the chemical symbol for the element gold? Your choices are A, Ag, B, O, C, Gd, or D, gold. O comes from oro, the Latin word for gold. In art history, who is credited with painting the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? Pick an artist. A, Leonardo da Vinci, B, Raphael, C, Michelangelo, or D, Donatello. Michelangelo spent 4 years painting the iconic frescoes. for the bookworms who wrote the dystopian novel 1984? Could it be A. Aldous Huxley, B. Ray Bradbury, C. George Orwell, or D. Philip K. Dick? George Orwell's chilling vision of the future was published in 1949. Geographically speaking, what is the world's largest island? Let's see the options. A. Greenland, B. New Guinea, C. Borneo, or D. Australia. While Australia is larger, it's classified as a continental landmass, not an island. In film history, what was the first feature-length animated movie ever released? Was it A. Pinocchio, B. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, C. Fantasia, or D. Bambi? Disney's Snow White premiered in 1937 and was a huge cinematic milestone. What is the name for the dot over a lowercase I or J? Is the answer A. a diacritic, B. a tittle, C. an umlaut, or D. a cedilla? That tiny dot is called a tittle, a fun word to know. Which country invented the popular dish, French fries? Your options are A. France, B. the United States, C. the Netherlands, or D. Belgium. Despite the name, historians trace the origin of fried potato sticks to Belgium. In the human body, what is the primary function of the cerebellum? Is it A. memory and emotion, B. breathing and heartbeat, C. motor control and balance, or D. language processing? The cerebellum is crucial for coordinating voluntary movements. What is the only sea on Earth that has no coastline? Could it be A. the Caspian Sea, B. the Dead Sea, C. the Sargasso Sea, or D. the Aral Sea? The Sargasso Sea is uniquely defined by ocean currents rather than land. Stepping it up, try this hard one. What is the name of the scientific theory that describes how the universe began? Your choices are A. the string theory, B. the theory of relativity, C. the Big Bang theory, or D. the quantum theory. The Big Bang theory is the leading explanation for how the universe began. In chemistry, what is the only letter that does not appear anywhere on the periodic table? Is it A. the letter Q, B. the letter X, C. the letter Z, or D. the letter J? Go ahead, check a periodic table. You won't find the letter J. This one is a common misconception. What is the actual capital city of Australia? Is it A. Sydney, B. Melbourne, C. Canberra, or D. Perth? Canberra was chosen as a compromise between the rival cities of Sydney and Melbourne. Who was the first woman to be awarded a Nobel Prize? Choose from these pioneers. A. Marie Curie, B. Dorothy Hodgson, C. Rosalind Franklin, or D. Ada Lovelace? Marie Curie won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903. The historical War of the Roses was fought between which two English houses? Could it be A. Tudor and Stuart, B. Lancaster and York, C. Windsor and Tudor, or D. Wessex and Mercia? The House of Lancaster Red Rose and the House of York White Rose battled for the throne. In literature, what is the opening line of Herman Melville's novel Moby Dick? Let's see the options. A. It was the best of times. B. Last night I dreamt. C. Call me Ishmael. Or D. It is a truth universally acknowledged. This is one of the most famous opening lines in all of literature. What is the name of the smallest bone in the human body? Is it A. the incus, B. the malleus, C. the patella, or D. the stapes? The stapes, found in the middle ear, is smaller than a grain of rice. Which artist is known for the iconic pop art piece Campbell's soup cans? Was it A. Roy Lichtenstein, B. Andy Warhol, C. Keith Haring, or D. Jean-Michel Basquiat? Andy Warhol's soup cans challenged the definition of fine art. What is the term for the study of flags? Is it A. Cartography, B. Philately, C. Numismatics, or D. Vexillology? Vexillology is the scientific study of the history and symbolism of flags. The Atacama Desert, one of the driest places on Earth, is primarily located in which country? Here are your choices: A. Argentina, B. Peru, C. Chile, or D. Bolivia. The Atacama occupies a long strip of land on the Pacific coast, west of the Andes. Brace yourself. The first impossible challenge is here. What is the collective noun for a group of rhinoceroses? Could it be A herd, B, a crash, C, a rumpus, or D, a gaggle? A group of rhinos is fittingly called a crash. What is the only country in the world whose national flag is not a quadrilateral, meaning not a square or a rectangle? Pick a country. A. Switzerland, B. Nepal, C. the Vatican, or D. Japan. The flag of Nepal consists of two stacked triangles. In botany, what is the technical term for the arrangement of leaves on a plant stem? Is it A. petiole, B. phyllotaxis, C. xylem, or D. stoma? Phyllotaxis describes the beautiful, often mathematical patterns of leaves. Before the euro was introduced, what was the official currency of Finland? Was it A. the krona, B. the escudo, C. the mark, or D. the guilder? The Finnish marka was the currency of Finland from 1860 until 2002. The woozy feeling you sometimes get when standing up too quickly has a medical name. What is it? Is it A. vertigo, B. syncope, C. orthostatic hypotension, or D. tinnitus? It's a temporary drop in blood pressure upon standing. What is the name of the theoretical point of infinite density and zero volume at the very center of a black hole? Your options are A. an event horizon, B. a quasar, C. a singularity, or D. a Schwarzschild radius. The singularity is where the laws of physics as we know them break down. In the original 1812 version of the Grimm fairy tales, who was the villain in Snow White? Was it A. her wicked stepmother, B. her jealous mother, C. a malevolent sorcerer, or D. her cruel father? The tale was later revised to feature a wicked stepmother to be less grim. What is the oldest university in the English-speaking world? Let's see the options. A. Cambridge, B. Harvard, C. Yale, or D. Oxford. Teaching at Oxford started as early as 1096. Which of the Apollo moon missions was the first to carry and use a lunar roving vehicle LRV? Could it be A. Apollo 11, B. Apollo 14, C. Apollo 15, or D. Apollo 17? Apollo 15 was the first of the J missions capable of longer stays and wider exploration. The fear of long words is ironically known by what tongue-twisting name? Is it A. phobophobia, B. sesquipedalophobia, C. hippopotamonstrosesquipedaliophobia, or D. ibophobia? Ironically, the name for the fear of long words is one of the longest in the dictionary.
Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.